Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 10th of January. I'm James Spann. Very mild today and tomorrow. Very cold over the weekend. Rain during the transition. Maybe a few snowflakes late Friday or Friday night for parts of North Alabama. Let's go in there and talk about it. Always interesting this time of the year. That's the upper air look at 500 millibars to start the day. And again, we've got this trough over Florida down to the south of us, and a new disturbance over Southern California, and a ridge off to the west. There's the water vapor satellite view. It's a cloudy morning and kind of a mild morning. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s. Birmingham and Anniston, 55. Tuscaloosa, 56. That's about the average high for the 10th of January. And we're expecting mid-60s today, and again, upper 60s are likely tomorrow. Around the nation and continent, we're noticing that new surge of very cold air over western Canada that will be diving south. In fact, already it's starting to dip into northern Montana, and that's the air we will feel over the weekend, so don't get used to the warmth. Around the nation, winter weather advisories for many states up north. Got some fog issues down here. Birmingham has maintained that dense fog advisory. Huntsville canceled that about 4 o'clock this morning, but that fog for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden will likely dissipate by mid-morning. Could see some thunder across the southern plains today. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder here, and this is day 3, which is Friday. Again, green, maybe some thunder, but no severe weather expected for the rest of this week. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and I say rain, precipitation. Again, heavy rain for the Pacific Northwest and Alabama. Amounts about 1.5 inches over the Tennessee Valley, 1/2 inch for the southern part of the state, and the bulk of that is going to be Friday. And the question is, who's going to get some snow in here? This is the probability of over 1 inch of snow between Friday morning and Saturday morning. And you can see the better probabilities are over Tennessee and Kentucky, but they're fairly high over the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. We'll talk about this. So let's dive in here. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 06Z run at noon today. Troughing in the west, ridging here. Again, mostly cloudy, maybe a few peaks of sun. Showers should be very isolated today. Much of the day dry, highs in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, upper 60s are likely. The sky will be cloudy, and there could be a few showers around. Snow developing for Des Moines, Minneapolis, St. Paul, parts of northern Wisconsin up north. Now, this is Friday at noon. We'll have widespread rain here. And again, the GFS is suggesting at that point there could be kind of a wintry mix maybe over the northwestern corner of the state with snow back into western Tennessee. This is Friday evening at 6 o'clock. The GFS is suggesting most of the snow north of Alabama over Tennessee and Kentucky. And then by midnight, it begins to wind down up there, and we turn sharply colder. Let's check the European. It is much more aggressive in terms of the moisture and maybe deeper push of wintry precipitation. This is noon on Friday, and the European is suggesting there could be some sleet or freezing rain or snow over northwest Alabama up into the Tennessee Valley. Friday evening at 6 o'clock, it's got the chance of snow, mainly for the Tennessee Valley, extreme North Alabama. This is the accumulated snow coming off the European by Saturday morning, and it's suggesting amounts maybe in the 1 to 2 inch range over extreme North Alabama. This is mainly for areas along and north of the Tennessee River. This is the GFS accumulated snow, and you can see basically it doesn't have anything for Alabama, with the better chance of accumulating snow over Tennessee. Do we dare look at the NAM just for the fun of it? Well, we can look at it, but we don't accept this solution. It's got some outrageous snow totals here. And look, anything can happen, but again, the thermal profiles would not seem to support this. I think this is the idea. The better chance of accumulating snow should be basically, again, along and north of the Tennessee River. Those are communities up near the Tennessee border, Huntsville, Athens, the Shoals, where they might receive 1, 2, maybe 3 inches. And then as you work your way north, a really good chance of accumulating snow for Nashville and Louisville and places like that, Bowling Green. For Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, could there be an ice pellet or a snowflake Friday evening or Friday night? Yes, but odds of any accumulation that far south at this point look pretty low. And understand, this is Wednesday. We're talking the event Friday afternoon and Friday night. This could change, but that's the way it looks now. Saturday, just cold and dry. Pretty good north wind. We'll be in the 30s pretty much all day. The sky becoming partly to mostly sunny. Sunday, the latest GFS is showing 19 for Birmingham. The high at 39. The sky will be sunny. And Monday, cold and dry. Start the day in around 20. The high will be in the 40s. Got a clipper north of the state. And Tuesday, more cold air pulled down behind the clipper. In fact, the latest GFS is suggesting we might have a hard time getting above freezing on Tuesday. And this is Wednesday, a week from today, troughing on the East Coast, and this looks just cold and dry. We do note on Wednesday, this is the European, it's suggesting maybe a little band of light snow for North Alabama. But again, the GFS is dry. We'll discount that for now and just keep an eye on it. We got to get through the Friday night thing, then we can focus on that if anything happens at all. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday the 19th. The pattern relaxes, and that looks warmer. And maybe a few showers just beyond that following weekend. Here are the numbers. We go in the deep freeze this weekend. Highs in the 30s. Then for next week, highs mostly in the 40s. The European not quite as aggressive as the GFS with the air behind the clipper, but still it looks cold this weekend through much of next week. And then we moderate and just maybe we'll see 60 by Saturday, January 20th, if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.